so cute. I'm gonna jump so cute. And my people they go jump so cute. Boss man, you go jump so cute. When the bed do they enter body, all the girl them go shake their body. They go shake their body. Oluwa bona mo bona belly.
So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I'm going to be doing the LOC method. All the products I use will be listed down below, but you guys, I just have to say that this product combination was the bomb. Like, it gave me the most definition I've ever gotten from any flat twist styles or any twist styles in general, and I can't wait to use the same combination to like get other styles. So after moisturizing my hair with my leave-in and my oil, the next thing I'm just going to start doing is twisting my hair. I'm also adding some gel just for that extra hold, and the gel I'm using is the Wetline Extreme Gel, which I reviewed in my last natural hair video. And I was making 2 twists on the side of my head because I wanted to do some type of style, but at the end of the day it didn't even look right, so I switched it up, and you guys will see, or you've probably seen in the intro already. So yeah, I'm basically just doing that flat twist down the side of my head, and I did it both on the left and on the right. And after I'm done with that, I'm just going to begin flat twisting my regular hair. Now please don't ask me why I decided to flat twist my hair to the side. Usually with my hair this short, I flat twist my hair all the way to the front, but I just decided to try something different. So if your hair is this short, I would advise that you flat twist your hair coming forward and not to the side. So here you can just see me add the gel, and after adding the gel, I just go ahead and detangle my hair, and then I start to flat twist. Now the key to getting very defined flat twists is to do small sections, and I don't mean just small sections like of flat twist. I mean when you're actually twisting the hair, when you're grabbing more hair to add to the twist, try to take as little hair as possible, because the bigger the hair, the less defined it will be, basically, because when you unravel the hair, then those individual sections will not be as defined. So I basically tried to grab as little sections as I possibly could, and my flat twists are really small because my hair is really short, so I obviously cannot even do it in larger sections than this. But if your hair is longer, then feel free to do bigger sections, but definitely try to twist smaller. Like when you grab more hair, don't grab too much hair, and also try to grab the same amount of hair every time you pick some hair up. If you guys would like a very detailed flat twist tutorial, I would suggest you search on YouTube, because yeah, I don't think I can even try to explain with my really short hair. But if I ever get like a model or anybody that I can explain on, I'll be more than happy to do videos like that for you guys, just so you can see exactly how to do this. But basically it's like doing a regular 2-strand twist. The only difference is, instead of continuing the twist, you just grab more hair as you go and add it into the twist, kind of like when you do a braid and you like grab more hair and add in. That's basically what you do with the flat twist. And another thing that I regret doing with this style is that I did not flat twist the back of my head, because I got really lazy, you guys. So I just decided to do single strand twists at the back of my head. But flat twists give you a lot of definition and a lot of stretch, so you can see that my hair looked really stretched in this style, and I love the length and the volume that it gave me. So next time I'll definitely do flat twists all through my head, just so that I'll get the same amount of stretch all through, because the shape of my hair kind of looked weird, with the back looking really short and the front looking like really long. But I mean, my hair is kind of tapered now, so I guess that's what I have to deal with. So anyway, I just go ahead and flat twist all of my hair, and as you can see here, I'm beginning to do the single twist or individual twist at the back of my head. And basically, you guys, like, this is it. Like, this product combo was the bomb, though. I'd have to give the definition to the product combo, and of course to the tiny sections like I explained to you guys earlier. So this is what my hair looks like after completing everything. I actually left this in for 2 days. I wore my wig over it, just tied a bandana because I could not be bothered. And now it's time to unravel the hair. And you guys, when I was unraveling this hair, I was kind of scared, like, I hope it's not going to be. But you guys, that Wetline Extreme Gel is magic. It gives your hair so much hold, to a point where your hair is moisturized, but it's not like frizzy. Like, can you guys see the definition? But like, I can tell you my hair was not like stiff or anything. Like, it felt very moisturized, but then all my curls were individually defined. I just do not know how to explain it, but you guys definitely need to try this combo out. Like, can you guys see how defined my hair is? I have never gotten a flat twist out this defined ever before. So like I said, because of the way I twisted my hair, it was kind of looking janky when I was done, but I just had to like switch it up, do a style. So I decided to sleek one side of my hair a little bit down and just use some gold bobby pins to kind of like create a style or whatever. That was the only way I could really get it to look a bit right. So this is basically what my hair looks like when I'm done unraveling. You want to be really careful when you fluff your hair. Make sure to only fluff the roots. Don't pull the comb throughout the entire length of your hair, or you'll be destroying all of the like definition that you just suffered so hard to get. So here I was just trying to figure out how I wanted to style my hair, and this is what I finally came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
I let it slide this time. Like 25 years I've been high and no less. Shit I know I don't guess. You better say that shit with your chest. Keep talking that mess, that's fine. Would you walk and talk at the same time? Then it's my name that's on that jet. Go move you, let me call you a cab. Standing in the front yard talking about how I'm such a boy. I'll never find a man like you. Who the hell do you think you are? Got me twisted. Is that what they said? You got me twisted? You must not know about me. You must not know about me, baby.